got him. Bring him up. Okay, that's good cranking. Now bring him up to Poppy. That's enough cranking. Bring him up to Poppy.
Poppy.
That's a big one. Stand up. Okay.
Mom, Mamsie, this is a really big one.
Honey.
He's a really big one, isn't he?
He is. You're really getting good
Want
at
me to show it to him?
Yeah.
Want me to show it to him? He's talking to me.
He is. They're throwing back in the water.
Hi. Hi, little fishy. Hi. He's talking. But I love you. You want to get back in the water? I threw him back in the water.
You did a great job, too. You did a great job.